So hello guys, so the topic today is about friction. So this topic is under to the physics for engineers. So ganito yan guys, ang friction is always opposite to the motion guys. So ito yung force, so ito yung box siyempre pupunta yan dito. Then yung friction dapat palaging opposite siya. Gets? Gets pa guys? And the normal force, ito yung normal force is always perpendicular to the surface guys ha. Kumbaga ganyan yan oh. Then the weight always downward yung arrow niya guys ha. Kasi yung weight pababa. So mabigat yung weight. So dapat pababa yung arrow niya. Gets? So ito yung mga kailangan formulang kabisaduhin. So tangent of theta, this will be the angle of. So the tangent theta is equals to mu. So F is equals to mu N and mu is equals to F over N. This will be the normal force and this will be the friction and this will be the coefficient of friction guys. Gets? So the W is equals to mg is the kung kailangan natin mag-convert natin ang weight Newton to kilograms or kilograms to Newton. So in the mass is equals to kilogram. Yung weight yun yung Newton. So since the G is 9.81, gets? So the summation of f of x is equals to 0. So lahat ng positive ay lahat ng pakanan is positive. So right equals to left. Lahat ng pakanan ay positive guys. O kaya lahat ng pakanan equals sa lahat ng pakaliwa. So, dito naman lahat ng pataas equals sa pababa. Gets? So, halimbawa, itong letter N, guys, pataas yan. Equals yan sa lahat ng pababa, which is W. Gets, guys? So, halimbawa, dito yung force P. So, lahat ng pakanan, which is F, equals sa lahat ng pakaliwa. Gets? So, eto guys, guide lang to. Etong y-axis and x-axis ating original, while this was the x prime and y prime axis, gagamitin to madalas sa mga inclined guys. Pag ganito. Ito yung, guys, ganyan siya ginagamit. Lalagyan lang natin ng x and y prime axis. So, ito yung y. Then, ito yung, wait, ayusin natin. So, ito yung y prime. Y prime to. Kasi naka-slant. So, this will be the x prime. So, itong patag na naka-cross na ganyan is x-axis. And then, itong nakatayo lang ng straight is the y-axis. Gets guys? Ganun lang siya. Mamaya makikita niyo kung paano gamitin. So, let's proceed for the first problem guys para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung mga formula guys. So, before start pala natin, may nakalimutan kong sabihin that this theta guys is equal yan sa theta ng normal force dito. And also, the weight guys. Yung dito. Equal yan. Tsaka yung dito guys. Equal palagi yan. So, ganito yan guys. So, ito yung y axis, x axis, y prime, and then ito yung x prime. So, this angle guys, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle. Equal lahat yan ha. Equal lahat yan. So, ito yung normal force. So, this will be the weight. So, dito yung friction, guys. Friction. So, the force P nandito. Gets ba, guys? So, proceed muna tayo sa first problem para mas mag-gets nyo. So, game. A 65 pounds horizontal force is sufficient to push a 1,200 pounds back on a level floor. So it means that the level floor is straight line lang yun. Nasa patag lang siya na surface. With a uniform force, what is the value of coefficient of friction? The coefficient of friction is the mu. So first, label muna natin lahat niyan. So is 65 pounds. 65 pounds horizontal force. Yan. 65. Let's say it is letter P, guys. Letter P, variable lang yan. Let P be the force, guys. Variable lang naman yun. So, is sufficient to push a 1,200 packs. So, 1,200 pounds. So, ito yung weight. Pababa lagi yung arrow niya na. Arrow ha, pababa ha. Gets, guys? Next, on a level floor with a uniform force, what is the value of coefficient of friction? Since my weight, then yung normal force always perpendicular to the surface. So, pataas yung arrow niyan. And the friction will be opposite to the motion of the box, guys. Since yung box papunta siya sa kanan dito. So, yung friction is always opposite, guys. Gets? So, first is that, so the summation of Fy0, lahat ng positive pataas. So, ito yung pataas equals sa pababa. Pataas, guys. Pataas. Ano ba yung pataas? Letter N, di ba? Tignan yung arrow niya. Pataas equals yan sa pababa, which is the W. So, N equals sa W. N, ano ba yung value ng W? 1, 2. So, for the friction, for the pakanan is equals to pakaliwa. So, let positive be the right, guys, pakanan na. So, pakanan is the letter P. Equal yan sa lahat ng pakaliwa is the friction. P is equals to F. P, what is the value of P? 65. What is F? Friction is equals to mu N, di ba? Mu N. So, substitute the value of N. Subs N to get mu. Mu is the coefficient of friction, guys. Ito yun. Oh, gets. Next. 65 is equals to mu is unknown. And what is the value of N? 1,200, guys. Sinubstitute ko lang yan, guys. Gets? So, dito tayo. 65. Divide lang natin na 1,200. So, the value of this one, this will be equals to what? 0.054. Guys. Gets? So, ganun lang siya, guys. Pakanan equals to pakaliwa. Gets? So, let's proceed for the next problem. O game dito, guys, may given tayo ng figure. Wait. O game. The object in the equilibrium is find the normal force, guys, ha? So, ito yung figure. So, find the normal force. The normal force is this one. So, since pataas siya, guys, sinabi ko naman, normal force, pataas siya, guys, always perpendicular to the surface, guys, ha? Gets? So, bigyan natin ng color coding. Pababa equals sa pataas. Then, pakanan equals sa pakaliwa. So, ito pa yung pataas. So, ito, guys, ito yung 200 Newton na force na humihila sa box. Kapag ganyan, guys, etong 200 Newton, hindi nyo na siya ika-count as pataas. Since pataas yung hugis niya, guys, huwag nyo na ika-count as pataas. Kasi, babasagin natin yan into 2 Py is equals to, wait, Py is equals to what? 200 sine of 30. Px equals to 200 cosine of 30. Since alam nyo naman yan, so katuwa lang yan, ito yung opposite, ito yung adjacent, ito yung hypotenuse. Gets? Oh, next. Binasag na natin yan. So, etong 200 Newton, tanggalin na natin yan. Huwag nyo na i-count yan as pataas, no? Huwag nyo na bibilangin yan, ha? O, game. Gawin na natin yung lahat ng pataas equals to pababa. Positive. O, game. Lahat ng pakanan muna. Px, pakanan. Ito yun, guys, pakanan. Dito yan papunta. Equals yan lahat sa pakaliwa. Pakaliwa is the friction. Gets the value of Px 200 cosine of 30 is equals to F. Gets, guys? So, kunin mo natin value ng 200 cosine 30. So, this will be equals to what? F 173.205, guys. Gets? So, ito yung friction natin, no? Feet. So, next naman, lahat ng pataas. Pataas, ano pa yung pataas, guys? Fn, di ba? Ano pa yung pataas, guys? Py, di ba? Plus, magdadagdag lang tayo nun. Plus, equals siya sa lahat ng pababa. Pababa is the weight. So, ito yun, guys. Weight lang yan. Fw is equals to weight lang yan. So, Fn, yung Fn, guys, note na lang natin as letter N na lang, no? Para hindi tayo malito. N plus, what is the value of Py? Equals to, weight is 500 Newton. So, to get the N equals to 500 minus 200 sine 30. So, this will be equals to 400. Gets, guys? So, napansin nyo, guys, without using friction, guys, nakuha lang natin yung N, which is 400, guys. Pinakita ko lang paano gamitin ulit yung pakanan equals to pakaliwa. Kahit hindi mo na gawin itong pakanan equals to pakaliwa, taka na dito sa pataas equals to pababa, makukuha mo yung normal force, guys. Gets? So, pinakita ko lang, guys. Gusto kong malaman nyo paano pa rin gamitin ang pakanan equals to pakaliwa, pataas at pababa. Gets, guys? So, N is equals to 400 Newton, guys. In terms of Newton yan, ah. Gets? Next, guys, a 1,200 pounds is pulled, guys. So, gawa muna tayo. 1,200 pounds, yun yung weight. Is pulled along by horizontal force. Horizontal force, guys. At a uniform speed by means of a rope that makes an angle of 30 degrees. So, angle daw siya na 30 degrees. So, ito yung rope, guys, ha. Ito yung rope. Ito. Wait, baka di nyo makita. Ito yung rope, ha. Gets? So, that makes an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. So, ito yung above the horizontal. Ito yung horizontal, guys. Sa taas niyan daw, naka 30 degrees yan. So, yun yung above the horizontal. If the tension of the rope is 100 pounds, 100. Yung lakas, yung tension ng rope, guys, is 100 pounds, ha? So, what is the coefficient of friction? Coefficient of friction, guys, ha? Game? So, wait. Lagyan lang natin ang kulay. So, dito, guys, since the rope, dito yan, guys. Ito niyan is, anong gagawin natin, guys? bago natin gawin yan, lagyan muna natin, label muna natin yung mga friction nila para hindi kayo malito. So, ito yung friction and the normal force. And wait, palitan natin to ng blue para naka-color coding tayo at hindi kayo malito. Gets? So, game. So, since kung pagmamasdan nyo guys, ito yung arrow ng rope, di ba? So, ito dapat mayroon din siyang arrow na tutusok sa kanya. Katapos yan guys, etong nakahiga, dapat may arrow din na tutusok dito sa likod ng kulay blue. Gets guys? Ganun dapat yung paggamit ng mga arrow. So, next. Eto nyan guys is babasagin natin. So, P is the force Py, 100 sine of 30. So, eto nyan is what? Oops, kulay blue to ba to? P of x equals to 100 cosine of 30. Gets? Yan guys. So, eto nyan guys. Eto nyan. Etong rope na to, hindi na natin siya bibilangin as pataas guys. May pataas na tayo, yung Py. So, ano ba yung tinatanong? Friction. Coefficient of friction. So, start na natin. Lahat ng pataas. Pataas is n. Equals yan sa pababa. Since may pataas pa tayong isa, wait lang guys, ayaw mabura. N plus Py is pataas din. Equals yan sa pababa, which is the weight. Yung N, unknown, plus 100 sine 30 is the Py, 1,200 is the weight. N is equals to 1,200, 100 sine of 30. Gets? So, mamaya natin equate yan. Lahat muna tayo ng pakanan, guys. Pakanan is Px equals yan sa lahat ng pakaliwa. Px, 100 cosine of 30 is equals to F. So, the F is equals to what? Mu n, di ba guys? F is equals to mu n. What is the value of n guys? Substitute lang natin yan. 100 cosine of 30 equals sa mu. What is the value of n? Palitan ko lang to ng value ng n, no guys? So, divide lang natin yan guys. Ganyanin mo lang yan. Ano to? 1,200 minus 100 sine of 30. So, to ay cancel. So, mu is equals to what? 100 cosine 30 over 1,000. 200 minus 100 sine 30. So, mu is equals to what? 0.075 guys. So this will the value of u. Gets? So let's proceed for the next problem guys. Game guys, number 4. A 50 Newton is slid straight across the floor at a constant speed of 25 by a force of 25 Newton. Since the figure is given guys, wala na tayong problema dyan. So ito yung rope 25 with the force of 25 Newton. As shown in the figure. How large a friction force? So, ito yung pinapahanap. The friction force impedes the motion of the box. How large is the normal force? And find the mu k between the box and the floor. Mu k means the mu is the coefficient of friction sa kinetic guys Yung paggalaw lang guys. Sa static and kinetic kasi yan Kinetic yung gumalaw, static yung nasa isang pwesto lang. Wait, yan. So first, ito yung, wait, sa tingin ko, gawa tayo ng sarili nating box. Ay, figure pala. Wait, tagilid. Dito na lang siguro. So, friction guys. And the force guys, wait, maya natin drawing, may explain ako doon. So this will be the weight and the normal force. Weight, 50 Newton. The weight is 50 Newton guys. So next is yan guys. So sa pagguhit ng arrow guys, di ba dito yung arrow nung 25. So dapat may tutusok dyan. Ayun. Then dapat dito sa likod ng isang arrow na kulay blue, dapat may tutusok sa likod niya. Ayun guys, gets? So with a 40-degree angle. So PY yung vertical yung nakatayo, 25 sine of 40. And then PX equals to 25 cosine of 40. Gets guys? So cosine to. Yan. Cosine 40. Gets guys? So first, tignan natin kung ano yung unang mabilis hanapan. So try natin sagutan yung muna yung pakanan equals to pakaliwa. Pakanan. Ano ba yung pakanan? PX, diba guys? So, lahat ng pakaliwa guys is friction lang. Ito. Tingnan nyo lang yung arrow guys kung saan nakatutok. Gets? So, 25 cosine of 40 is equals to mu n. Gets guys? Since F, yung F natin guys is friction, frictional force. So, pwede natin denote as friction lang. Friction is equals to what? So, type na si calculate. 19.15 Newton. So, how large is the normal force rate? How large is the friction input? Ito yun. Ito yun guys. So, nasagot na natin to. Check. So, burahin na natin. Next, how large is the normal force? So, normal force is what? Summation of Fy is equals to 0, positive lahat ng pataas. Pataas is N plus Py is equals to pababa, which is weight. N plus 25 sine of 40 is equals to 50 Newton. N is equals to 50 minus 25 sine of 40. So, N is equals to what? Ilan yan? 50 minus 25 sine of 40. 33.93 Newton, guys. So, meron na tayo. How large the normal force? Burahin na natin yan. Last, find the mu k. Find the coefficient of friction sa kinetic between the box and the floor. To find the mu k, guys, sa tingin nyo paano yan, guys? So, note that meron tayong formula. Mu is equals to what? Equal siya sa friction all over the normal force. Guys, pinakita ko kanina yan, guys. So, mu friction is 19.15 all over 33.93 Newton. Naka-Newton yan, guys. So, cancel the Newton. So, the mu or the coefficient of friction 0.564. Gets, guys? So, ganun siya, guys. Gets ba? Next guys, suppose that in the figure that the block is at the rest, the angle of incline is slowly increased at the angle of 42. Wait, label natin as 42. The block begin to slide. What is the coefficient of static friction between the block and the incline? So, the block is begin to slide, Ana. So, gawa tayo sarili natin ng figure, guys, para hindi tayo malito. So, normal force. Since 42 to 42. And eto na yun, guys, yung gagawa tayo ng x and y prime axis. So, eto yung x prime axis. So, pag gumawa tayo niyan, guys, eto yung y axis, guys. Straight lang yun, guys, yung y axis. Nakatayo lang kagad. So, eto na may tinatawag natin na y prime axis, yung nakatagilid na. Gets, guys? So, eto naman yung x-axis, yung straight lang. Yun yung original, guys, ha? Gets? Yan. So, normal force is always perpendicular to the surface. So, eto yun. So, the frictions is, guys, nandito, di ba? So, palitan natin, kulay pula. And the weight is downward, guys. So, ito yung weight, guys. Weight, angat natin, di natin makita. Yan. So, weight yun, guys. So, ano pa? It's angle of 42 degrees. What is the coefficient of static friction, guys? So, coefficient of static friction. Yan yung pinapahanap, guys. Gets? So, note that this, wait, tingnan natin, gaano ba kabigat? 200, guys. Weight is equals to 200, guys, Newton. Gets? So, 200 Newton siya. So, since yung box is mag-i-slide na, suppose that in the variable angle slowly increase. So, the block is begin to slide. So, papunta na dito yung slide, ay yung box, guys, ha. So, yung weight niya, guys, dahil papunta siya doon, nandito yung arrow nun. And, itong isa pang arrow na pababa, guys, is nandito yan. Di ba sabi ko, dapat palagi may tumutusok dito, guys, sa likod ng isa. Gets? So, katapos nun, etong kulay blue, ito. Tatanggalin natin yan. Hindi na natin yan bibilangin as pababa. So, tanggalin ko lang. Yan. Gets? Next. Wait. 42 to. 42 din to, matik. Ito rin 42. Matik na yan. Ito rin 42. 42 din to. Since wala naman force na tumutulak, huwag na natin lagyan ng 42. Pero may 42 yun, guys. Pero hindi tayo malito, di na natin lalagyan kasi wala naman force na involved na tumutulak sa box paitaas. Gets, guys? Wait, ayaw mabura. Yan. O, game. So, summation of, check natin baka may nakalimutan tayo. So, wala. So, the summation of pakanan fx. Summation of fx, guys, pakanan is friction. Equals yan sa pakaliwa. So, wait. The wx to, guys, is equals to 200 sine of 42. Well, this one, guys, wy, 200 cosine of 42. Gets? Lahat ng pakanan equals sa pakaliwa, guys. Pakanan is friction equals yan sa wx, guys. Gets, guys? So, next, substitute the value lang guys. So, dito naman tayo, summation of f of y pataas equals sa pababa. F of y is n. So, let n to normal force to. Equals yan sa pababa. Pababa is wy. So, what is the wy? 200 cosine of 42. Gets? So, ang tinatanong is static coefficient of friction. So, F, may value na tayo ng F. The formula for friction is mu n. So, F is 200, substitute. So, mu and n, 200 cosine of 42. Divide. Cancel. So, mu is equals to 200 sine 42 over 200 cosine 42. So, the answer is 0.900. Coefficient of friction for static. Guys, gets? So, next problem tayo. A 400 kilonewton block is at rest on a rough horizontal surface. Horizontal lang yan, patag lang yan guys. For which the coefficient of friction is 0.40. Determine the force P required to cause the motion to impend if applied to the block horizontally. So, nag-apply daw siya sa block horizontally. So, ito yun. So, the block is equals to 400 kilonewton, yung bigat niya. Since habang tinutulak yan, guys, may friction yan nangyayari, guys, di ba? Gets? So, yung friction yan, opposite. Oops. And the normal force always perpendicular to the surface, guys. Gets? So, color coding tayo. Palitan natin to ng red. Force P. So, yung tinatan, determine the force P required to cause the motion impend if applied to the block horizontally. So, horizontally, eto yun, guys. Nakahika. Gets? So, yun yung hanapin natin. So, this will be the friction. So, the summation of f of x equals to 0, pakanan is positive. Lahat ng pakanan equals sa pakaliwa. P is equals to mu n. So, since wala naman nangyari guys, kuha tayo ng value ng n. So, lahat ng pataas equals sa pababa. Pataas, n equals to 400. Since may value na tayo ng n, substitute the n. Guys, with the coefficient of friction 0.40. P is equals to coefficient of friction 0.40. N is equals to 400. So, this will be equals to what? 160 Newton, guys. Gets? So, answer naman tayo na letter B. Wait, baba natin. Wait tayo magbaba. So, downward at 30 degrees. So, given pa rin yung 400 kilonewton na weight. Ay, kilonewton ba yun, guys? So, kilonewton. So, the answer for this one is kilonewton, guys. Gets? So, next niyan tayo, guys, is by what? So, yung force P na nakuha natin is 160, di ba? So, yun yung horizontal. So, kukuha naman tayo ng downward at 30 degrees with the horizontal. So, ito yung downward nan, guys. Paano ba yung downward ng force? So, downward with the horizontal. So, horizontal, this one. At 30 degrees. Palit tayo na kulay. At 30 degrees. Gets, guys? So, ito yung horizontal, guys. Ito yung downward. Since nandito yung arrow niya, guys, arrow, dapat may tutusok dyan, di ba, guys? Ganito yan, guys. Yan. Gets. So, letter. So, this will be the px. Px equals to p cosine 30. And the blue, which is py, is equals to p sine of 30. Then may normal force pa rin yan, guys. And this will be the friction, guys. Wait, friction. Gets, guys? Since yung force niya, guys, sinila niya yung box papunta dito. So, yung friction natin nandito yan, guys. Pinagbaliktad ko lang kamay nito. Basta tandaan, yung friction is always opposite to the motion of the box, guys. Itsa na tayo. Downward with horizontal. So, yung force na pa-downward, guys. So, the summation of f of x. Pakanan. Ano ba yung pakanan, guys? Friction equals sa pakaliwa. Gets? So, tingnan natin yung pataas at pababa, guys. Pataas is n. Equals siya sa lahat ng pababa. Pababa is 400, guys. Yun yung weight. N is equals to weight plus py. Gets, guys? So, py is p sine of 30. Gets, guys? So, next. Since yung f, guys, pwede natin gawin yan as mu n, di ba, guys? Mu n equals to p cosine of 30. Since, ano ba yung value ng mu? 0.40 yan, di ba, guys? So, 0.40 is equals to np cosine of 30. Baba natin. Wait, ayaw magbaba. Divide both sides by 0.40. Cancel ang natira. N p cosine of 30 over 0.40, guys. Gets? Gets ba, guys? So, next natin gagawin yan, guys. Substitute the value of n. Dito, guys. Substitute natin dyan para letter p na lang yung variable nila. Gets? So, substitute natin, no? Ay, wait. Dito na lang. Pinalitan ko lang to. Then, copy-paste yung 400. Plug and play na lang yan, guys. So, ito, 0.40. Cross-multiply lang yan, guys. 0.40 times 400 plus 0.40 p sine 30. Plug and play yan, guys, ha. Katuloy niya natin sa kabila. So, p. So, etong p, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative na yan. Gets, guys? So, dito tayo. Tuloy natin dito. P, factor out the P. P cosine of 30 minus sine of 30. Oops, may 0.40 pa pala. equals to 0.40 400 guys. Wait, then divide. Dinidivide ko lang guys ha. Baka magtaka kayo kung paano ginawa yan from the basic algebra guys. Physics na tayo dapat pagdating dyan, gamay nyo na, di ba? So, eto, insert sa calculator. 0.40 400 cosine 30 minus 0.40 sine 30. So, ang P is equals to 240.231 kilonewton. So, this will be the value of force P downward, guys. So, ito yun yung letter P. Gets? So, next tayo, guys. So, ito medyo complicated na to. So, block A weight a 120 Newton, block B weighs a 200 Newton, and the cord is parallel to the incline. If the coefficient of friction 0.60 and 30 degrees, what force P applied to B acting down and parallel to the incline will start the motion? What is the tension in the cord attached to A? Gets, guys? Wait, palitan lang natin to. Yan. Game. So, yung pinapanap yung P tsaka yung tension niya. So, start tayo sa block A, guys. So, paano ba itsura ng block A, guys? Ganito yun, di ba? Ganyan. With a color coding natin para hindi tayo mahirapan. Weight of 120. So, dito natin lagay yan, guys. Para hindi kayo malito, guys, ano tayo? Lagay tayo na X and Y prime axis. Guide lang to. Para hindi tayo malito. So, eto yung yan guys, naglagay lang ako ng guide natin, no? Game. So, may 120 Newton daw. Weight yung bigat. Ito yun. So, the tension is eto. Ito yung tali, guys, ha? Ito yung tali. Yan. Ito yun. Siyempre, pag may taling umila doon, may friction dito. Na opposite palagi. Then, katas nito, may normal force perpendicular to the surface. So, since 30 degrees is given, guys, 30 degrees din to. Gets? So, 30 din to. Since T naman, hindi naman given, guys. So, huwag na natin lagyan ng 30 degrees dito. So, next. Ito, yung weight, guys. Pag hinila ko yung box papunta dito, yung bigat, guys, nandito pa rin. So, dito yung direction niya. Kataas nun, dapat may tutusok dito. Dito yung yan. Gets, guys? Kapag kataas niyan, etong kulay blue na nandito, hindi na natin bibilangin yan as what? As pababa, di ba? Gets? So, may 120 tayo. Oops. Ito yung WX. Equals to 120 sine of 30. WY is equals to 120 cosine of 30. Yun yung pababa, guys, ha? Gets? So, this will be the normal force. So, summation of F of Y pataas, lahat ng pataas, N, equals yan sa lahat ng pababa. 120 cosine of 30. O, dito naman. 0. O, lahat ng pakanan equals sa lahat ng pakaliwa. Wait, pakanan natin is may F pa pala. Equals sa lahat ng pakaliwa. 120 sine of 30 plus mu is 0.60. Diba ang F is denote as mu n. Pinalitan ko na. Pinalitan ko na ng values guys ha. T. So, substitute the value of T. Ito yung value ng T to get the tension guys. Plus 0.60. Yung N, 120 cosine of 30. So, dito na lang natin ilagay. T. T is equals to what? Insert lang natin sa calcu guys. 120 sine 30 plus 0.60, 120 cosine of 30. So, 122.354. Yung Newton guys. Ang tension guys ha. Tension pa lang yun. So, pinapanap yung force P applied to B acting down the parallel to the incline. So, rekta, block B na tayo nyan guys. So, wait. Yan, block B tayo. Kunin natin yung ano. Block P, ganito yan, di ba guys? So, first, gawa tayo ng X and Y prime axis. Para hindi tayo malito. Oops. Wrong move. Yan guys. Gets? So, angat lang natin guys. Wait, ayaw umangat. Ayun, yung force P. So, ito na yung force P. So, guys, next yung ano, yung weight and the normal force. Since meron siyang 200 guys. So, the 200 is yung 200 guys, dito yan no. Since babasagin na natin siya kaagad guys, babasagin na natin. So, yung weight ng box nandito. Pag mahulog yung box, nandito yung bigat guys, nandito. Dito banda. So, kaya yung arrow guys nandito. So, eto yan yung isang arrow pa. And having a, wait, ayaw gumana. Having a, what? 30 degree angle. WX equals to what? 200 sine of 30. And WY is equals to 200 cosine of 30. Gets guys? This will be 30. Since the normal force at A guys, ito, di ba may NA yan guys, is always perpendicular to the surface. So, ito yung surface niya guys. Surface nung pinapatungan ng box A guys. Gets pa? So, may NA tayo dito. NA is 120 cosine 30, di ba? Ito yun, NA. Since may NA tayo dito, and the normal force at P perpendicular to the surface, guys, ito yan. Gets? So, the friction, guys, opposite to the motion of the box. Since yung box tumatama dito sa surface ng letter A, so may friction tayo dyan. At yung B is tumatama sa surface dito guys, may friction din tayo dyan. Friction 1 and friction 2. Or friction A and friction B. So, dito yan guys. Wait. Yan. Gets guys? So, to get the friction A muna guys. Kunin muna natin yung friction A guys. Ito na lang. Friction A. Ano ba yung mu n yun, di ba guys? Mu tas n. So, NA natin is 120 cosine 30. So, FA is equals to what? Calculate lang natin guys. 0.60 times 120 cosine 30. 62.35 Newton. So, the FA, 62.35 Newton. Guys, goods na. Next, kukunin muna natin yung force at B. So, mag-summation muna tayo, guys. At Y. So, lahat ng pataas equals yan sa lahat ng pababa. So, NB is equals to 120 cosine of 30 plus the WY 200 cosine of 30. And B is equals to what? Wait, baba nga natin. So, calculate lang natin guys. 120 cosine 30 plus 200 cosine of 30. 277.128 Newton. NB yan guys. So, to get the friction at B is mu n, di ba? What is the value of mu? Coefficient of friction, 0.60. And then substitute the n. So, friction B, 0.60 times 277.128. 166.278 Newton, guys. 0.6 times 277.128. 166.277 pala. 7 to. Yan. Gets? So, yun yung friction B natin. .277 Newton. Gets? So, summation na tayo. Ito yung nawawala, di ba guys? Lahat ng pakanan, P plus, ano pa yung pakanan? WX equals sa pakaliwa. So, P is unknown plus, what is the value of WX guys? 200 sine 30. Check natin kung 200. Yes, tama guys. Equals to FA 62.35 plus 166.277 guys. Etong 200, lipat na natin dyan, magiging 200 sine of 30 na yan, di ba guys? So, tanggalin natin yan. Insert mo na yan sa calculator guys. So, gets naman yun guys ha, nilipat ko lang. Insert mo na yan sa calculator. 35 plus 166.277. So, the answer for the force P is, 128.627 Newton. Guys, gets guys? So, 128.627 Newton. So, this will be the final answer for this problem, guys. And the tension is 122.354. Gets, guys? Newton. So, nakuha na natin yung correct answer, guys. Gets? So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. God bless.